How to crop and rotate images in PixelLab. Want to perfectly crop and rotate your images in PixelLab? I will show you step by step how to do it easily. Let's get started. First things first, launch the PixelLab app and open your project. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Then select image from the available options. Now select from gallery to add your image. Tap on the image to select it. The image editing option will appear at the bottom. Tap crop. Drag the corners or edges to select the area you want to keep. Tap check mark or done to apply the crop. Tap rotate, usually in the same editing menu. Use the slider or two-finger gesture to rotate the image to the desired angle. Tap check mark or done to apply rotation. Optional. Use pinch and drag to resize or move your image on the canvas. And that's it. Now you know how to crop and rotate images in PixelLab. Perfect for creating thumbnails, social media posts, or any design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.